Marie, Xinyan Guilech, or Gung Hei Fat Choi. Happy New Year. I'm the owner of Dutch by Design. I'm an Australian decorator living in the Netherlands and moved here 8 years ago to be with my husband. My business focuses more on interior decorating than interior design. My clients come from mostly USA and Europe. I'm really happy to found Coohom as it allows me to customize finishings and use the 360-degree feature. Again, thank you so much and Happy New Year from me to you.
Hi guys, my name is Bahaa. I'm from Egypt. I'm working as an interior designer. I use Coohom site in my designs and I really found it very interesting and so easy to use. Finally, I want to thank Coohom Team for their exerted efforts and I wish them a happy new year. Thank you and see you later.
Hi Coohom Team, this is your fellow Coohomer from Turkey. My name is Dilan and I'm actually a marketing executive who has been trying to start an interior designer business for the last few years. In those few years, I have tried to learn how to use the softwares that are out there, and after settling down with two, one for the design process itself and one for the rendering, I have discovered Coohom through a social media ad. I have to admit that at first I didn't think that it would be this good or this easy to use or this affordable, but then I discovered that it actually has everything I needed and I immediately upgraded to the Pro package. This was about a year ago and I'm a happy Coohomer ever since. So I would like to thank you all guys for creating a software that is this helpful to the design community. So I'm wishing you all a happy, healthy and hopeful new year with all your loved ones. Take care.
Hi, my name is Cicero and I'm an architect from Brazil. I'm totally satisfied with Coohom and I wish everyone a wonderful path in the new year. You have changed my life and solved so many of my problems. I hope that our journey together can help and completely change the way to design consumers and decoration lovers are able to turn our ideas into reality and enjoy our project presentations. Thank you for everyone.
Hi, Matthew here from Favor. We wish everyone at Coohom a very warm and happy and blessed new year. This is the year of the tiger. Let this year give us all the strength to grow and overcome the challenges in life. We have been associated with Coohom for over 4 years and we hope our association grows in leaps and bounds, and this year we will be able to connect with each other in many different levels. Happy New Year again.